Namaste, dear children. Good afternoon. I hope all of you are fine at home with your parents and taking care of your health. Today I am going to take GK offline class. Morning I had taken you the online class. Today's topic is mythology, world mythology. Children, as I told you in online class, every country has its stories of magic and courage. From gods fighting demons means Rakshasaru, the heroes setting out on the incredible advantages to kill the demons. These fables or tales are part of the world of mythology. Mythology means in Kannada Janapada Kategalu. Today we are going to study the Janapada Kategalu of different country means of the world altogether. Mythology means it is taken from the Greek word. Mythos for story of the people and logos for word of speech. So, the spoken story of a people is the study and interpretation of often sacred tales or fables of a culture known as myths, or the collection of such stories which deal with various aspects of the human condition, that is good or evil. Mythology talks about both good condition and bad condition of that time. How the demons or good people were living and fighting to show their strength in their stage. Understood, children? What is mythology? Good definition. An allegorical narrative, a body of myths such as the myths dealing with the gods, demigods, and legendary heroes of a particular people, of particular time. Now we can see that Juno is the equivalent to Hera, the Greek goddess for love and marriage. Juno is the Roman goddess of love and marriage. According to Roman mythology, Greek mythology, Juno is the goddess, one who considered as for love and marriage, children. They used to, Greek people has to worship this goddess. You can see the picture of this goddess here, how she looked like. Now here is one interesting fact, children. According to Egyptian mythology, Nut was the goddess of the sky. She was depicted as a giant woman who was supporting the sky with her back. They believed that Nut in Egyptian religion, goddess of the sky, wallet of heavens, of depicted as an woman arched over the earth god Geb. Means they believed that she has carried the sky on her back. She was supporting the sky on her back. She was very powerful and she was very active and giant woman. Means very much powerful. She can do anything. Now we can see Ra. Ra was believed to rule in all parts of the created world, the sky. He was the god of sky, where all created world of the sky was ruled by who? Ra. Understood, children? Now one interesting fact we can see. The Kelin is an animal in ancient Chinese mythology. It looks like a deer with horns on the head and scales all over its body. Its tail is like that of an ox. The Kelin is said to be an animal of longevity that lived for 2000 years. How many years, children? Once if it born means it has to be lived for 2000 years. It is also believed that the beast means big animal could spit. It can spit fire and roar like thunder. How it was roaring? Like thunder. Means Sidilu, Gudugu. The Kelin is one of the 4 divine creatures of China. It is belong to Chinese mythology, children. They believed that Kelin is very powerful and very divine, and they even believed that it is to be spit fire from its mouth. Understood, children? Now we see one more in the question. The ancient Chinese people believed that the moon was made up of milk. The moon is made of green cheese also. They even believed it is made up of green cheese. Is a statement referring to a fanciful belief that moon is composed of cheese. The Chinese people believed that the moon is made up of milk or it is made up of green cheese. It is their belief, children. It is a story. Now we can see Inti. Inti is also the sun god. Was regarded as the ancestors of the Incas. He was associated with what? Gold, and called the sweat of the sun. It is called as the sweat. Sweat means ಬೆವರು. Whose ಬೆವರು? Sun. ಸೂರ್ಯನ್ ಬೆವರಿನಿಂದ ಆಗಿರೋದು. The Incas honored him with the magnificent gold artworks. The Incas offered that god with gold artworks. The Coricancha or Sun Temple at Cusco or Peru housed a golden image of Inti that looked like the sun. How it looked like the sun, children? The image of the god is looked like the sun in the temple. We can see the image, how the image of the sun here. Now you can see that the Incas god, very powerful god of the sun. Ancestor of the sun god is who? Incas. Inca god means one is the god of fire. Understood, children? Now we can see Excalibur. There was a famous sword in Irish legend called Caladblock, from which the Excalibur is eventually delivered by way of Geoffrey of Monmouth. Understood, children? Diana is Roman religion goddess of wild animals and the hunt, identified with the Greek goddess Artemis. Her name is asking to the Latin words diem, sky. Diem means what? Sky. Understood? Daylight. The son of the Yamaja and the mother goddess protected the birth is Shango, the god of thunder. The Shango is god of thunder. Thunder, who is one of the popular worldwide acclaimed legends from West Africa, to be precise Nigeria. He is referred to Chango or Shango in Latin America and also Jukta. Understood, children? Now you can see the picture of Shango god, how he looked like. He was worshipped in Africa, children. Now we can see Apollo. He is a god in Greek mythology. He is a god in Greek mythology and one of the 12 Olympians. He is the son of Zeus and Leto and the twin brother of Artemis. He is the god of healing, medicine, archery, magic, poetry and the sun. Understood, children? He is the leader of Muses. Now we can see Poseidon. In ancient Greek religion, god of the sea. They believed he is to be the god of sea, earthquakes and horses. Poseidon was the brother of Zeus, the sky god and the chief deity of ancient Greece and of the Hades, god of the underworld. He has lot of names. Now you can see Jupiter god. Jupiter god is the king of the gods in Roman mythology. He was the god of the sky and thunder of the. He is known as the Zeus in Greek mythology. His the brother name was Pluto and his sister was Ceres. Understood, children? Thank you.